Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can dial in some really interesting and creative delay effects outside of the delay plugin. Now, for this video, I'm going to be using this Waves H delay, a personal favourite of mine, and it's very popular. Loads of people use this. It's very simple. Got some filters here to shape the tone of the delay. Modulation section here to get some sort of chorusy effects going on. A lo-fi to crisp up the sound. An analog dial here to put some sort of hiss back in. No one uses that, if I'm honest. The main delay controls in the middle here. And that's about it. But what if you wanted to, I don't know, get something a bit more out there, a little bit more interesting, some more textures maybe than just what you can get out of this plugin? Well, a good way to do this is to put an instance of Waves GTR Stomp box before the H delay plugin. So in essence, we're running the signal through some stomp boxes into the delay. Got this set up on effects return on a female vocal. Got some level sense to that auxiliary that has the GTR stomp box going into the H delay plugin. And yeah, it sounds like this without any stomp boxes before. Listen for the female vocal. Sounds all right, but let's put some stomp boxes before the delay. Let's go for a fuzz. Change the tone. Nice, let's try something else. Let's go for an octaver, why not? Try a wah-wah, keep it on auto. The possibilities are quite literally endless. So you could make your own pedal boards here, you could add more effects in the chain. Go crazy, get creative, have a go with this for yourself. Let us know how you get on in the comments below. I hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.